What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, and welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Well, I'm very sorry about my last video. I was so super stressed out when filming it because MOT, well, I don't like going, so I was too freaking stressed to think straight, and well, I forgot my camera. Always forgot to take it with me when I passed home and when I left. So it's just a very short video. It was a lot of rambling, and that's really not something I maybe wanted to bring out. But since it's the Daily Car Guy, I kind of felt like sharing it because it's something a lot of people go through, and the video in itself is crap. But well, sharing it kind of shows everyone the stress going to MOT gives me. So yeah, now as you can see, I'm standing in the middle of my garage. Today it is time. I finally got an appointment with the insurance company, so that's where I'm going now. The car is already waiting outside for me. Well, I just got in the garage, quickly needed to grab a few papers, and then we can leave. I looked on the GPS. There's been an accident on the road, so it's gonna take a while to get there. I'm gonna get a little bit of traffic, but I need to go today, and well, when that's done, I can finally start on rebuilding the widebody kit. Hate it. Really loved it a lot more when it was loud, without a rear muffler. If the rear muffler was still off, I'd give it some gas in the tunnel, open the window, but well, the car doesn't make any noise right now, so can't do it. It's crap. Really crap. I really need a loud car again. I really miss it. Yeah, so no tunnel blasts. I couldn't take you inside or anything or show you any of the stuff. Went very quick. Guy came out immediately, took a look at the car, took a few quick pictures. All in all, it's been 5 minutes, maybe a few minutes longer, not even 10 minutes. Decided to give me $800 to fix the car, and for that money I certainly can fix it. I will probably have something left for the next project, so let's head home now. So I've also got this pretty big box in the mail. I kind of have an idea what is in there. It's some of the parts, well, at least one part of what I ordered to fix my widebody. So let's open this thing up, see what it looks like. Just as I thought, new front wing, left side, driver's side for the Golf. Let's take it out, see how it looks. New wing. It's a bit scuffed here and, well, in a few places. Bit of a nasty dent right here, but that will be cut off, so I do not really mind about the dent. It's a nice new piece, and actually it will be cut up, welded up, to be ready for the car. Like this one, this will be welded shut, this will be welded shut. That's for the US style fenders. I have original ones, but, well, the accident I had, that's the reason I don't want to put them on the car. They're pretty hard to find here in Europe, and I like to keep them pretty clean. Just have them, and, well, I don't want to get them broken. And as I removed the side molding of my Golf to make the car have a little bit more of a modern look, I'm closing that one off again. The arch will be cut out, as will the dent be, and then the scuffing doesn't really matter. There's got paint going over it, and yeah, first part. Now I'm gonna search for a place where I can weld this. I used to have a place where I can weld this, but I'm not really sure I'm still able to weld there, so maybe I need to find another spot. This thing is looking so ridiculous. Hate it. Really hate it. But for now, it's gotta do it, driving it around like this. As I said, very happy with what the insurance company said to me. 800 bucks to fix the car. Really happy. Some money that's left from that I can put into the other project, which I'm really stoked about. I'm looking at cars, found a few that get my interest. The only problem is getting to them. It's a 600 kilometer drive, the one that interested me the most. So, well, what is that, about 400 miles? Would have taken a plane to do it, but no planes land near, and going from that airport with the Uber would cost me tons of money. So we'll need to drive there, take a look at it, come back, arrange with someone to drive me back when I want the car, and, well, have to do it that way. But yeah, if it is, would make for a nice video, I think. But, well, guys, for now, as always, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Leave in the comment section down below what you think of the videos, what you would like to see different in the videos, what maybe would have you enjoy them a little bit more. Had some great comments in some of my older videos suggesting stuff, and I'm really thankful for that. And if you want to follow along with the rebuild of my Golf, making it fully back to standard on the inside, and are excited for the new car that's coming this year, well, probably in a month or two, be sure to subscribe down below and tune in for the next video. For now, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.